There's no such thing as a free lunch, right? Wrong. YouTube is packed full of free lunches. There are people on the platform teaching you how to do just about anything.
For instance, I've had some great advice on how to build a YouTube channel from the superb Nick Nimmin, and we're going to do that right now. And of course, G Johnstone. You just need to help feed a poodle. Wait a minute, you're not a poodle.
It's like the biggest university on the planet. And it's free. Yep, my favourite price. The best part about it is there are so many people telling you how to do stuff. The worst part about it is that there are so many people telling you how to do stuff.
You know what I mean?
No? Well, let me explain. Free advice is great, but how do you know which advice is right for you? If there are 50 videos about how to change the wheel on a car and all 50 of them don't say exactly the same thing, what does that mean? Well, it may mean there's more than one way to skin a cat.
Oh no, I hate that expression. Can't we use something else?
Well, it may mean that all roads lead to Rome.
What the heck does he mean by that?
It means there are often different ways to get to the same place. But how do you know which way is the right way for you? Caveat emptor.
The guy's talking in riddles. He's lost it.
It means buyer beware. And it's up to you to choose. I can't tell you what's right for you, but I can tell you which one I choose and how I choose the videos I watch. My rule of thumb is that I trust the creators that show me how to do it by actually doing it themselves. Stands to reason, doesn't it? I mean, if you can see them doing it, then clearly they know how to do it.
And that goes for my photography channel too. I'll always try and pass on advice from my experience.
But I won't hide behind words. I'll always try and show you my pictures. And when you watch photography videos, look at the pictures that the creator shows you and ask yourself, is this person talking the talk? Or can they also walk the walk? If it's a camera review, then I suppose there's an argument to say you wouldn't expect award-winning shots. After all, we just want to see how the camera and the lens performs, right? But they still should be of a certain standard, shouldn't they? There are loads of really great photographers on the platform and they've got inspirational work. But for me, I look for people showing me their work, not somebody else's work. I look for somebody who's authentic.
As Mr. Schneebly said, those that can, do.
YouTube has the ability to help you learn, help you achieve and make you into a better photographer. It's all there for you at the click of a button. But beware the Ides of March. Make sure you listen to people who've earned your respect. There are many different photographic styles and disciplines, and make sure you choose one that resonates with your photographic philosophy. If you're somebody who likes to think deeply about light and composition, connections, empathy, form and structure, then maybe a "what's happening? Let's kill this, we're gonna do it" kind of delivery is not the best for you. But maybe it is. Only you can decide. So if you want to focus on the image more to become a better photographer, keep watching this channel. Better still, hit the subscribe button and I'll do all that I can to help you on your photographic journey. Now, if you'd like to see some of my photos, check out this video on taking better portraits or this one on shooting vintage Leicas.